me. I guess you gotta blend. Now
Brush.
we use blush just because I feel bad.
Scared.
Okay. Push hard, or we'll make it very.
Do you know what wax?
By allowing me. Oh, stop it! I'm not excellent with. Hey guys, Rebecca here from homeschooling.com. Today's video episode, glimpse into the chaos, is going to be a homeschool lesson where I am going to allow my son to do child-directed learning / art /
Learning.
careers.
We're gonna act like her arms are broken and then I'm her new arms.
He is going to do my makeup. So this is, let's back that up, okay? This is the embarrassing part. Caleb, go ahead. Beautify me. Okay.
Do you want a smash ball?
Okay, first you have to start with hiding this. This is the hider.
I said I do this.
Yes. Okay, and you gotta smoosh. Don't rub or you'll rub everything off. You just gently like smooshy. Okay? Smoosh it on to all my blemishes. Smoosh it on to the dark circles under my eyes. Okay, that's a lot. That's a really, really lot. Okay.
I was gonna say that's not enough.
Okay. Maybe smush around a little bit. That's a lot. Oh, you're spilling it! Don't waste this! Makeup is expensive. Okay, I need coffee.
Okay, so.
It's so far away. Okay.
Alright.
You have to do this in 3 minutes or less because everyone has lives. Ah! I'm so scared.
Okay, so where do you want me to put this?
Well, look at my face. Where is red or black? Ah!
Stop moving.
Under the eyes is like, ah! Okay. Okay. Ah! I have a lot of blemishes. Okay, I've got some hormonal thing going on. I don't know. Maybe it's homeschooling. Ah, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, that's all it is.
Okay, now you have to smush it in. Is this the plan? No, don't rub. Smush. Shh. Okay, like smush. Okay, dabby. Okay. Ah. Tell me when you're getting close to my eyes. Oh my gosh.
I did some in here.
Smushy. Come on. Smushy. You feel like you're getting close, Sayla. I feel like you're getting really close. Ah! This is a trust exercise. You know when you take those little motivational courses and you learn how to trust people? We're building. Okay, where's Amir? Okay. Honey, you gotta blend it. Look, I can see. You gotta blend it. Blend it.
Why are you doing that? You're like,
Because
it's cold.
My eyes are closed and I don't know when you're hitting my face and all of a sudden. Okay, close your eyes, Caleb. Close your eyes, Caleb. Rest. Just in me. Just in me. Okay, it's weird.
Yes.
Good job. Okay, next I do a little bit of like powder to cover up more because, like you said, we need more. No. Now
a brush.
we use
A brush.
Yeah, but there's a certain type of.
It's like soul powdery, like
This one. Okay, more the tip and just like on under my eyes, wherever you put that. Okay. No, more. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay, all over my chin. Okay, like here, my my. What? You need more. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going.
How does it feel covering up your mom's like discoloration stash? Because I have this because of you, okay? Pregnancy and hormones wrecked me. Like all of those.
You don't want me to go to your eyes, that's why.
I'm scared of my eyes, but you should do under my eyes. Just nice and swooshy. You want?
Kayla?
Okay. Under my. Yeah. Okay. Swoosh, 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 swoosh.
What's flying everywhere?
That's swoosh. I feel like that's not. No. Swoosh outwards. Swoosh outwards.
Okay.
Sayla wants to do my makeup.
Yes, I will try. Can I try?
I'm not doing your eyes
Mom, can I try?
Powder on your eyelids.
Okay. This is what homeschool moms do. They just. Yeah. Okay. Well, that happens. Powder on my eyelashes. Okay. Next, do some blush just because I'll feel better. So this is actually really dark. It's actually totally brown. Okay. So dab, dab, dab. Blush does not go here. Blush goes here. So it's like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So like here, okay, on this is my cheekbone, and then you kind of blend it in here. But start here and then kind of blend. You are brushing it into my ear. Up, follow my cheekbone.
Like that, dude.
You blend it into like the apple of my cheeks right here. Blend it in. There we go. Blend it in.
Sunburn!
Okay. Okay. Next is the eyes. Oh.
Wait. I'm scared.
Okay. This is Urban Decay, everybody.
Maca.
You should go a little higher, so.
I'm really scared.
I'm excited.
Okay.
I'm really
You're not doing my eyeliner. I draw the line. Today is not an eyeliner day. Okay, so you use the lightest color and just brush it over my lid, okay? Then you come in for Buck, the color Buck, and you just dab, 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 and then you're gonna do like the corners of my eye up to about here, and then you blend it in. You can use this brush or your finger, and you have to kind of blend it in. It's got a swooshy.
Okay.
Swooshy. Say swooshy.
Swoosh, swooshty. Swooshty. Okay. Just get yourself prepared.
I'm prepared.
I'm gonna laugh and I'm gonna get it inside.
You messed this up. You were doing chores for a week, okay?
Okay, I'll try not to. I mean, let me get this moment again.
You were using the tip. You want a smooshy. You want to like
Smooshy.
You don't use the tip. You kind of lay it and drag it. Are you holding it sideways? You just dragged it way down here. And do we want eyeshadow right down here? We don't want the eyes to go downwards. We want the eyes to go up. Okay. Make me look younger.
Other one.
Okay.
I need more. Okay, get prepared. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Again, you're using the tip. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's better. That's better. But just remember, my eyeball's under there. Okay. You're gonna just like dabby 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 dabby.
Eyelashes.
Dabby 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 dabby.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, up to about here to here. You're making a triangle going like this. It's going out like that. And then you're gonna blend it in. It's gonna look ridiculous. Okay? Makeup me. Oh my gosh, that's not even on my eyelid. That was off my eyelid. That's my cheek. That's too far into the middle. Too far into the middle. Keep it on the outer edge. Okay. I feel like you have trouble with the lines. Did you color in the lines as a child?
Mama, I can do
I am a
it.
child.
Too far in.
I can do
Your
it.
wrinkles.
I do not have wrinkles.
Mom, I can do it. Mommy, I can do it.
I know. We'll do more of these. Aaliyah, my 7-year-old, is now recording. We'll see if she does better than my very disinterested 9-year-old. Okay.
Okay. I know what to do now. See, it's up
That's
here.
too far. I don't want eyeshadow over here.
It's right. I put it right
I know,
here.
but we want it on the lid still. Okay. Picky? Yeah. It's my face. Are you picky about your face? Caleb, you want blush? There you go. You don't care where it is, do you?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this on it.
Blend it in. You are the artist. My eye is your canvas. Don't zoom in. No one needs to see that face. Okay.
They always do.
Yeah, but not really close, Caleb. Not really close.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see how I did.
So mommy's grabbing some coffee.
Okay. Well, we're definitely.
Caleb is bad at makeup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next thing we do
is better.
we're just moving on.
I'm
Would be
better at
eyeliner, but we are not
makeup.
doing eyeliner. Okay? Because I will die. Normally for eyeliner we use the black and we line the eye.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, now I see why you don't want it.
The next thing would be mascara. How you feel about mascara?
What's mascara?
What is mascara?
I have no idea.
No.
I'm better than makeup. I'm Caleb.
Oh wait, is it like this brush for your eyelashes?
So what are eyelashes?
That makes it look homeschool.
Wow.
What are eyelashes?
You know what eyelashes are.
Oh, no, I do.
It's like a chimney sweeper.
So to do this, you have to kind of put it here and then I blink and I'll blink onto it. Do you understand?
Oh, okay. So it's you.
Okay. If you poke my eye with this, I could go blind. Do you want me to go blind?
No.
Don't make me blind.
I'm not trying.
Okay.
Okay. Blink. Just blink. There you go. One more, Mom.
So Caleb is possibly being a dad.
What are you laughing at? Did you get it on my eye?
No, I didn't. It's just like a blob.
Get rid of the blob!
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay. Okay, this one I'll try just holding my eye open and you try actually brushing it on. But don't make me blind. Ah!
Whoa.
Ah! No, not down. You don't brush downward. You brush up.
Can't see your eye.
Okay, come over here a little bit more. Me? No, her. Aaliyah, can you see now?
Can you just zoom in?
Ah!
Oh, no. This makes it worse.
It's spreading it all over.
How much did we get there? Your hands are black! Oh my goodness! Okay. We need an intervention. Call me. Get quick. I got company coming over in about 10 minutes.
So Caleb right now is being mom's dad because she's making makeup.
I'm like,
She looks really like a teen.
Stop talking.
My mom's 32.
shh, we don't speak of age. I'm like moving my head and blinking. I'm like,
So I don't want to be I don't want to be responsible for your eye being blind.
So he's going like,
Okay. It's like okay. It looks pretty good.
oh my gosh!
What? I done stuff.
Oh my gosh, this clumping. Okay, look, you do it. You have to know this. This
See?
is an important skill. This is like mowing the lawn, okay?
Not even close.
Yeah, well, it's gonna help you be better at mowing the lawn, okay? Incrementally. Oh, it's like all stuck together. Oh no. Is company here?
I did the whole spoon.
My friend's coming over. She's gonna judge this situation.
My.
I just pulled out an eyelash.
I'm here.
We're gonna go in the fleshy part.
Oh.
What? Stop. Don't squint. Don't squint. How'd that feel?
Oh, it hurts.
Not that bad though. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what we've learned from this video is my 11-year-old's not bad at putting on makeup. Not great, but not bad. We have learned art skills, videographer skills. We've also learned that my daughters are both not excellent with a camera. And I think that's about all we've learned. A trust exercise.
And also I'm annoying.
Did you just pee with the door open? Okay, flush the toilet. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And my messy room and my messy life. And now I'm going to let you guys go.
Bye.
Talk to you later. Thanks for joining us, Caleb.
I was videography. I was the one who's recording grandma still was bad.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Leave it.
And hit the bell.
I hope you
Okay.
have a wonderful day.
Don't yell at them. Can you hit the record button? Because I can't reach it.
15,100 likes.
Wow.
Bye.